Welcome. Today we're going to be cooking on Forno the Pizza by HPC Fire. We're going to be making some baby back ribs and we're going to make it in the oven. So we got some Jack Daniels here and some salt, and basically we're just going to kind of coat that with a little bit of salt on the back, and that's good. And then we're just going to open this up. We're not gonna sprinkle it, we're just gonna pour it. This is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna be sliding the grill rack this way, and I want this to be able to slide, but it also has a guide on here. So we're gonna put those ribs right in there, and I usually try to put one right on the end and kind of keep them a little bit closer together, cradle them, right? And then we're gonna put this other one right on there. So this is how we're gonna put it in there. Oh yeah, you can see it. They are looking delicious. They are looking very good, and actually they're pretty pliable, so that's good. We're gonna take all of them out. Oh, it's already falling apart. That's good. They're looking really good. So yeah, it looks pretty darn good. So here we go. We're gonna put this rib right onto here. I'm gonna show you a little bit here. We're gonna create this little trough. Now we got some nice apple juice here, and we're gonna coat this. We're gonna coat this because all that moisture, that's gonna keep that moisture, that heat all in there. All right, good deal. So here we got the two probes, and that should be good to go. We're gonna again leave one for the air temperature, which I'm just gonna slide it right between the little grooves of the rack. And then this one, it's kind of been already dirty. I'm gonna find a nice little meaty area, and I'm gonna go in this one over here, and I'm gonna poke it right through the foil, right inside of the meat. And I think it should be good. We are back. We're checking out the temperature. We're about 220 degrees on the outside, and the meat is about 205 degrees, which is actually perfect temperature for inside of the meat. And we're gonna go inside, and we're gonna take one of these nice racks, and take this one right here, and we're gonna open it up and see how it looks. So let's take a look. I know I got two gloves on just in case. I don't want to burn my hands too badly. But look at, oh yeah, look at all that moisture that's kept in there. All right, we're gonna take a peek back here, and look at that. It's just kind of peeling off. Look at that. That meat just peeling off the bone. That's what we want to see. We're gonna use this Carolina sauce here. We're gonna try this. That is incredible. The meat is basically peeling apart. So once again, baby back ribs.